Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're feeling fine. No, I'm not feeling good because I went home early today because I have a cold, cough, and clogged nose, and it's hard for me to breathe. Uh, in other terms, or in short, I'm sick, so I went home. Now I'm gonna do the steam bath. Not actually a steam bath. I'm gonna boil a water with kinds of different kinds of leaves like oregano, avocado leaves, and lemongrass leaves, anything that I can find in my backyard. This is the oregano leaves. Oregano leaves. Okay, let's get some. Too small. Anyways, there's so many. There's some over here. There's some over here. The leaves are too small. I already have some right here. Now we have to go to the where's that? Avocado leaves. Right here. Avocado leaves. After this one, we have to wash it. Wash and boil. Actually, I'm getting those on the young leaves. The top one is softer and cleaner. And maybe lemon leaves too. Yeah, get some lemon leaves as well as lemon. Ooh, dusty. Dusty. Baka pa little bit. Now we're gonna get the lemon. This one over here. One over here. One over here. Those lemons that I can reach on. I cannot reach that one anymore. Too far. Too high. Okay, that's enough. Now we're gonna find the tanglad. Tanglad. And then the scissor. Tanglad or lemongrass. Lemongrass. Right here. There's the lemongrass. But first, I have to find the scissor. Where is it? No. Let's find one. There's we have calamansi. Calamansi leaves. All kinds of citrus leaves. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna mix it. Mix them all together. And this one's the kumquat. Kumquat leaves. Okay. That's enough. My scissor. Oh, there you go. Or this one, much bigger. Okay. There's the lemongrass. Maybe gonna get some a little, maybe all this one right here and right here. It's good enough. I have one pot of lemongrass at the front also of the house. It is good enough. And then maybe calamansi also. I have all kinds of leaves already over here with lemongrass. I'm gonna wash them all together and boil it and sniff it with a blanket around me. Wash them all together. All kinds of leaves in here. And all kinds of leaves in here. And lemon also, lemongrass. And we're gonna boil it. Turn on the fire. Boil it and sniff it. Sniff the steam to unclog the clogged nose. Now I already have my boiled leaves in here. I have my blanket also over here. Open it. Ooh, steam. I have to cover and sniff the steam for at least 10 to 15 minutes to remove the cough and cold. But if didn't work for you, it works for me sometimes. It works before, the last time I did it. And if it doesn't work for you, and then it's better to consult your doctor. Now about 10 minutes is over. Already removed the blanket, and this is called now it looks like it's still my nose still a little bit clogged, but I'm gonna tell you the risk factor of this one is be careful with the hot water that is plus for you, and the steam is very hot, so be very careful with that one. And after and avoid to take a shower after maybe 3 hours. And this is the old-fashioned way of doing old-fashioned way of medicine, especially curing the upper respiratory illnesses. Thank you. Bye-bye. Now I feels good already, much better than before. So I hope you feel good also. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.